Okay, this is a word problem. It says two investments earn an annual income, so it's simple annual interest at this point. It says one investment returns an annual simple interest of 8.5%. Well, 8.5% is 0.085. I'm going to say the first investment is X, so X is what's being invested at 8.5%. And then it goes on to say that there's another amount that we've deposited, and simple interest is going to be 0.064. Y is the amount that's invested at 6.4%. And what they said the annual income is 575. All right. What else did they say? They said the total investment was $8,000. What does that mean? X plus Y is 8,000. All right. Now here comes the big question. How do you solve that? There's a variety of ways of doing that. What I'd recommend is substitution. So let's write this down. 0.085x plus 0.064. And what's y equal to? It's actually 8,000 minus x. And what's it equal? 575. Let's go through the work. And what do you get here? You get 0.085 plus 0.064 times 8,000 minus 0.064. Sorry about that. And that equals 575. I'll put this over here. All right, let's go through the work. 575. And let's see what we get over here. Whoops, there's an X there. So let's write this down. 0.085 minus 0.064. What do you get there? 120. I'll write that down. 0.021x. And this over here, I'm going to maybe do something, I don't know, maybe a little silly with this, but let's write this down. So plus, let's see, 8,000. So that's going to be 64 times 8 then. And let's go through that. 64 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 48, because 6 times 8 is 48. 51. So what do we get? This is 575 minus 512 equals 0.021x. Well, let's put that down. What do you get there? Well, you're going to get 3. This is 0.021, by the way. Let's see, you get 3 and you get a 6. All right. Doesn't look so bad. Let's put this down now. I'm going to divide both sides by 0.021. Let me go through that with you. 63. And we're dividing by 0.021. So I'm going to write down 21. And let's see, 3 places. 1, 2, 3. What do you get over there? This would be 3. That would be 63. So you get 3,000. So what's x equal to? X is 3,000. And what's the y equal to? Well, the sum of them has to be 8,000. So the y is going to be 8,000 minus 3,000, which is 5,000. All right? So what do we know now? We know x is 3,000. We know y is 5,000. All right? And what was x? It was the amount invested at 8.5%. So $3,000 was invested at 8.5% interest, and 5,000 was invested at 6.4% interest. You do not need to do a graph to do that problem. Furthermore, if you need to use a calculator to do that, please feel free to do so. Thank you.